And we are live. Yes. Okay, so let me uh let me go ahead and tell people to refresh their screens. Please refresh your screen
And
or
press play.
and press play. All right, so we are live. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So hopefully everybody has had a great day here at EdCamp EduMatch. We've been having a fantastic time. Amanda's. Oh, wait, am I hearing myself? I think I'm hearing myself on the thing. Yeah. Okay,
You
my
need to
bad.
go over to the other page and mute it, Sarah.
Yeah, rookie mistake, my fault. But but yeah, so we have Amanda here with us. So Amanda, if you wouldn't mind just introducing yourself.
Hey, hey! I am Amanda, a third grade teacher from Texas, and I am at the EdSaneT on Twitter.
All right, awesome. So I have to give again a huge shout out to these two ladies. EdCamp EduMatch was really their idea, so so thank you all for bringing that up. And in the future, you know, there might be other big things coming, so just keep your eyes peeled. Definitely before we jump into this hangout on, or I'm sorry, this demo slam, then we're gonna go ahead and let's see here. We're gonna invite a couple of folks here. So I'm going over here to the demo slam. So we have Matt. So let me go ahead and pull Matt up. But in the meantime, any closing remarks, ladies?
This has just been a phenomenal platform. I am so excited about Sarah sharing this opportunity with us and helping us learn how to use this platform. It's just been amazing.
Absolutely. Even though I was late, it was absolutely phenomenal. I loved connecting with everyone and learning from everyone, and the platform was really cool.
Yeah, I had a great time as well. This was just so much fun. So thank you all so much for being a part of this. I'm just sending the invite out right now. So if you signed up for the demo slam, then please take a look. We are inviting you to our hangout, and it's not too late to sign up for the demo slam. You can still do that at bit.ly forward slash edumatch slam. So pretty much a demo slam is where you share an idea or a tool or a trick for about 2 minutes, just so that you know everyone else can kind of get an idea of what it is. So we have 3 people who have signed up. One has had to leave us. So it was, let me see here. While we wait for everyone to join us, then we had Robert who was sharing with us storybird.com. So, oh, Chip has joined us. Hey, Chip, how you doing? All right, so Chip, did you want to go ahead and jump in with your demo slam, or did you want a couple minutes to get set up? A couple seconds. Oh, you're muted. Okay.
I had the other window open, so everything was going on, but
Oh,
I'm
gotcha.
good now. I'm good to share whenever.
Okay, yeah, go ahead and share your slam with us, and remember at the end you gotta say slam.
Okay. So what I wanted to share about was Hapara teacher dashboard. So Hapara actually has a suite of tools that works with Google Apps for Education. So what it does is it lets you as an administrator create rosters for all of your classes, and as a teacher, you can log in and see all of your students in one place, all of their Google documents. It also has a tool called Interact, which is changing to be called Highlights. So if you have Chromebooks in the classroom, it lets you see every website that students have open. It also gives you a lot of tools to push websites to students. You as a teacher can close students out of a YouTube video they might be listening to that you don't want them to, and it also lets you lock them to certain web pages if you want to kind of keep things focused. They also have a cool new tool called Workspaces that lets you, instead of using like a Google document as go to this and like having all the directions, you can have a project page where it has learning targets, it has sections for resources that you want them to look at, it has them the tasks that you want them to do with links to Google documents that you want them to create. So it's a really cool suite of tools. It's not free, but it really is an effective tool for maintaining the classroom. So that was what I wanted to share in Slam.
I'm still muted. So nicely done. Yes, that's the way that we do it. This is how we do it. Excellent. So, Matt Fratt, it's on you.
All right. Well, first of all, apologies. I'm live. I'm good. Okay. So, apologies for everybody who's heard this before. I do this at every ed camp. So Chip and Sarah and everybody. So I'm gonna pitch Reddit. I'll do it fast. Until 75% of all teachers are on Reddit, I'm gonna keep at every ed camp. I'm gonna do this. We love ed camp because it's very democratic, right? No one's up on a pedestal, and we're all equals, and we all learn. So we love ed camp. We love Twitter. Why? Again, it's democratic, right? And yes, we have different amount of followers and stuff, but if somebody with not many followers says something really brilliant, it's going to get retweeted and the whole world's going to hear it. And so we love Twitter for that reason. One thing that desperately needs democratization is media consumption, right? And maybe we're teachers, we all read the news every day, or maybe we watch CNN or the New York Times or whatever it is, and there's like 8 people who decide what we read about, and that's just awful. And so there's no great solution now. The best solution now that I think exists is called Reddit. They call it the front page of the internet. It's got a bunch of links. If you go to reddit.com, you'll see 25 links, which are theoretically the most interesting things on the web. Now, it's a mess. It's hard to use. It's a big text blob. There's a lot of inappropriate stuff on it. It's wrong for but like all democracy is messy, right? And so if you learn how to curate it, and like I just watch like I read technology and world news and politics, you can really get a pretty. I'll read something from the Atlantic and the Akron Beacon Journal and Al Jazeera in one night. And when else would I do that? So it's hard. It's worth the time. Try Reddit if you haven't already.
Nicely done. Nice job. Nice job. All right. So we had also Jason Oliver who signed up. So let me see if you happen to see this, Jason. We sent you the link to the invite. In the meantime, then let me see, for Robert, I believe it was Robert. He signed up with Storybird.com. Is anyone on here familiar with that by any chance? A little bit. I see a little bit of this. Okay, well, definitely, you can check that out. I see that Jason has just joined us, so we'll give him a couple seconds to get all squared away on here. Yeah, so Jason is in. Hey, Jason. Okay. Would you mind sharing your resource with us? Can you hear us? Can you hear us, Jason?
Oh, there's a 40-second time delay, so I don't know.
Oh, okay.
He'll catch up in like 20 seconds. It was like I was like a time machine. I like it. It was weird. I was Sarah, and then it was Chip talking about Hapara.
I gotcha. Well, yeah. While we wait for him, let me see some great comments in the in our room here. Fantastic. Julie's asking about the back end of Unhangouts. It's very, very user friendly. So there's some great resources out there to kind of get you set up. So if you contact the team, then they have it going on. So Jason, are you with us?
Yeah, I think so. My
All right.
computer's being slow. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Can you see me?
We cannot see. Well, I can't. I don't know. Can y'all see him?
Yeah, no, my computer's being slow. But no, I wanted to talk about Advents. So in this last session, I spent some time. Ooh, I can see myself shaking. Okay. Yeah, in this last session. All right. I spent some time talking to people about like education conferences and collaborative PD. And I'm really interested in how we support teachers who maybe don't have the opportunity to go to conferences or who just need more support in implementing whatever it is, which is pretty much every teacher in every district, or even like private schools or whatever. So I think of like ed camps especially being one great way, or play dates, to kind of bridge this gap. And I see a lot of people kind of struggling to find out what's going on. So my idea is Advents, which is this big database of education conferences. And what I want to do is use that to one, help people kind of find what's going on by location or subject area, so you can kind of search for that and just say, oh, what's happening in Houston, or what's happening in Los Angeles, what's happening, in Florida, so you can kind of travel and see what's going on by date or subject matter or whatever, and then you can kind of plan around that. And I also want to, and I'll be kind of building it out. I'm using it as a coding project, so I want to make it so that you can interact with people and kind of track, just have all like archived material about sessions that were attended, and see all the different slides and so on, or maybe the people who attended there. So that's kind of the big idea. So it's a work in progress, but I definitely want kind of feedback on the idea. So it's something that I'm working on a bit, but I need more. It's going to take some time.
That's an amazing idea.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Just so many great ideas here. So thank you all so much for sharing them with us. The Demo Slam, always a great way to get ideas across in a very short period of time. So that is all we have signed up for on our list. But definitely wanted to thank everyone again for joining us today at our very first EdCamp EduMatch. So high five to everybody. This is one for the books. So we're definitely going to do this again. And tomorrow, if you want to continue the conversation, we have EduMatch Tweet and Talk number 9, the topic being about making an unbelievable first day of school. So that's going on at bit.ly/tweettalk9, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can sign up to be a panelist or just watch and enjoy and check the Twitter feed. Also, if you want to continue the conversation in our Voxer group, then just sign up at edumatch.education to be the featured person of the day, and from there we'll get your Voxer ID and we can add you to the group. So yeah, anything I missed? Anyone want to jump
tweet
in?
and talk? Is it you talk or you tweet or both or what?
Yeah, both. I heard that applause. So, yeah, nice. But yeah, it's a Twitter chat / Google Hangout on air, and when it's done, then we take the link for we storify the tweets and we make a podcast on iTunes out of the Google Hangout link. So yeah, we do that every Sunday at 8 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. So, any parting words from anyone?
Thank you, Sarah, and thank you to the rest of the team for putting this all together. This is excellent. I am so glad that I had a chance to participate.
Thank you all so much for coming, and thank you to Amanda and to Tammy for this idea. Like, just fantastic. Yeah.
Well, collaboration makes it all happen.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yep. That is true. All right, so we're going to go ahead and sign off. Everybody enjoy the rest of your Saturday or Sunday, depending on where you are. And, yeah, talk to y'all soon. So, peace out.
Bye, everybody.
Goodbye.